Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix the drifter game crashing at startup or not launching or showing black screen or lagging while playing the game on PC. So let's go ahead. So the first method is to restart your PC or Steam. So simply go to Steam, click on Steam option and click on exit. After this, you should restart your PC as well. So for that, click on start option, click on power and select restart. This will restart your PC, and once it restarts, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, second method is to run game as administrator. For that, simply go to Steam, go to the library section where the game is installed, right click on the game, select properties, go to install files, and from here click on browse option. This will take you to the folder where the game is installed. Right click on the application of the game, select properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK. If not, then simply select disable full screen optimization and then click on apply and OK. If this doesn't work, click on compatibility mode, that is run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 8, and after that click on apply and OK. Doing this, launch the game and then check if it works for you. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, type check for updates. Here you can check if there is any update available for your Windows. If it's running on latest version, then go ahead. Otherwise, simply update Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check if it works for you. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to the Steam. Under library, select your game, right click on it, select properties, click on install files option, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. After this, launch the game and check if it works for you. The next solution is to allowing the game through firewall. So simply go to the search option. Here select Windows Defender Firewall or simply type Windows Defender Firewall. This type of interface will appear. Simply click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. After clicking this, select allow and then browse. After that, click on the game and add it to the list that is allowed through firewall. Also make sure that both private and public boxes are ticked. Once done, launch the game and check if it is working. The next solution is to update your graphics card. For that, simply go to the search option. Here, click on device manager. Then go to the display adapters. Here you can see your graphics card. Right click over here. Simply click on update driver option. After this, click on search automatically for drivers. This will search for the best available driver on your PC and will install it. After doing this, launch the game and check if you can play the game without any further problem, or simply go to the link provided in the description as per your manufacturer's and download the latest drivers. The next solution is to disable in-game overlays. For that, again go to Steam. Under Library section, select the game, right click over here, select Properties, and under General, you can see the Enable the Steam Overlay while in game option. It's enabled. Simply disable it. After disabling, try to launch the game and check if it is working now. The next solution is to modify launch option. Again go to the Steam, under Library, select the game, right click on Properties, and under General you can see launch option. Here type -dx11 and then check if the error is fixed, or if the error occurs then simply write dx12 and then see if it works for you. If not, the next solution is to close all unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to Task Manager and under Processes, you should check which app is consuming high resources or is not necessary at the moment. Simply select it, right click on it and tap on End Task option. This will close the app that is consuming high resources or is not required. The next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, you simply need to go to Graphics Settings. So in the search bar, search for Graphics Settings. Here you need to add the app. So you simply need to click on Add Desktop App. Here you can go to the game where it is installed, select it and add it here. As you can see, it's added. Simply click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, select high performance and then launch the game and check if it is working for you. If not, then install Visual C++. I have provided the link in the description. Simply go through it and install the Visual C++ as per your PC requirements. If not, the final solution suggested is to reinstall the Drifter game. For this, go to Steam, under Library section, select the game, right click on it and under Manage, click on Uninstall option. After this, uninstall option will occur. Simply click on Uninstall and the game will be uninstalled from your PC. After that, restart your PC and then try to launch the game once again and then check if this solution works for you. So all these solutions are for now. Don't forget to like and hype this video. Thank you.